If you're looking for a note-taking app, then OneNote might be an option and Notion might be an option. Today we're going to put them head to head and figure out which one is better. Let's have a look at OneNote now. So OneNote is a top-level organization tool for major topics or projects. You also get color-coded dividers for different subtopics and individual canvases for notes with flexible layouts. It also supports rich content such as text, images, audio, video, embedded files, and handwritten notes. Yeah, you heard me right. Handwritten notes. You can also see over here that it has full-featured apps for Windows and Mac OS with comprehensive editing tools. You can capture ideas on your iOS, your Android, with a touch or a stylus. You can also see that you get access to your notebooks from anywhere through the Microsoft 365 cloud integration. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is one or two of the use cases. So if you need to capture structured notes with action times, attachments, or even follow-ups, it's perfect. If you need to gather diverse materials with web clippings, annotations, and even linked references, it's great. And if you need to create searchable repositories of information with tags and cross-references, it's perfect. It's also great for education, businesses, and personal organizations with flexible tools for every type of need you can imagine. All right, we're looking at Notion now. So Notion is an all-in-one workspace. Notion unifies notes, tasks, databases, and projects in one tiny little space. You can create personalized environments for personal or team productivity. You get customizable databases. Create databases with tables, Kanban calendars, and lists. You can design flexible data structures tailored to your unique needs as well as your workflows, and you can manage your tasks, your projects, content, and customer data without needing any prior coding knowledge. Easily, you can also filter, sort, and visualize information to boost team productivity as well as organization. And you get real-time collaboration. So this means simultaneous editing. This is great for large teams that are constantly on the move, always making changes. Even if they are small changes, everyone is in the know because it's real-time updated. So this means multiple users at the same time can edit, update pages, and this is live. As well as commenting and feedback that is given. You can assign tasks and leave comments easily within the platform, and you don't have to do any follow-up emails to ask if this person got that and if they were updated on this. It's all done for you in one space. You can actually also share your workspace, and this keeps teams connected across all of your locations if you have remote teams. It also has a template system, so you can use pre-built templates for project management as well as your notes. You can adapt templates to fit your workflows and as your team needs, and you can reduce setup time with their ready-made organized structures, which is always fantastic. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. So many options to choose from. The key takeaway here is to go and try the software for yourself and see what actually works in a real life scenario. If this was helpful, drop us a like and we'll see you next time.